प्यारे भैया बहनों, हम जिस समय से अभी गुजर रहे हैं वह बड़ा ही एक प्रकार से आपातकाल का समय है, जिसके कारण हम लोग एक दूसरे के बिल्कुल समक्ष नहीं होते हैं। फिर भी हम सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन करें। जो सरकार के द्वारा जो बातें बताई जाती है उसमें हम लोग उसका पालन करें, घर में भी बाहर भी। और हमारे जो आचार्यगण जो आपके सन्निकट हैं, मिलते हैं, उनसे आप दिशा निर्देश प्राप्त करते रहें। इसी क्रम में आज हम एक नया पाठ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री प्रारंभ करने जा रहे हैं। तो सबसे पहले ट्रिग्नोमेट्री है क्या? तो दिस इज द न्यू ब्रांच ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स इन व्हिच we deals the relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. That's why we can say that trigonometry is the study of relationships between the sides and angles of a triangle. After that, trigonometric ratios. Mainly, trigonometry deals with the right angle triangles. All of us know that in a right angle triangle, the side opposite to right angle is known as hypotenuse, and side opposite to angle, this is known as perpendicular, and side adjacent to angle is known as base. Similarly, for if the acute angle changes, in this figure we see that for this angle C, this is the side AB, side opposite to angle. For this angle, this is perpendicular, and for this angle, side adjacent to angle C is base. That's why if we consider about angle A, then BC is perpendicular and AB is base, and when we consider angle C, AB is perpendicular and BC is base. There are three fundamental trigonometrical ratios. They are sine, cosine, and tangent. These three are the derivatives. The derivatives of sine is cosecant, and cosine is secant, and tangent is cotangent. In abbreviation form, we read it sine as a sine, cosine, cos, tangent, tan, cosecant, cosec, secant, sec, and cotangent, cot. The relationship of sin theta is P by H. In this case, AB is P, BC B, AC H. Sin theta perpendicular For this angle A, P by H, it means AB by AC. For cos B by H, that is AB by AC, and tan theta is equal to P by B, that is BC by AB, and cosec theta, these are the derivatives. The inverse cosec theta H by P, cosec theta H by B, and tan theta B by P. अब एक
कट कर दीजिएगा फिर मास्टर से।
We are familiar with this theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem. This theorem shows the relation between the hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. H square is equal to P square plus B square. Therefore, H is equal to root under P square plus B square. Again, if we have to find out perpendicular, P square is equal to H square minus B square, and P is equal to H square minus P square. Similarly, B square is equal to H square minus P square, and hence B is equal to root under H square minus P square. By these three formula, we can find out the either hypotenuse, perpendicular, or base. If in these all two things are given, then we can find out the other things with the help of these three formulas. Now we will solve the problems based on sin, cos, tan, and P, H, B, relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. Problem first. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is given 24 cm, BC is equal to 7 cm, and then we have to find out the value of sin A and cos A, and sin C and cos C. By using the Pythagoras theorem, just we have discussed before, AC, as we see that AC is in the front of right angle, that's why AC is hypotenuse, and with the formula H is equal to root under P square or B square, AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is given 24 cm while BC is given 7 cm. 24 square plus 7 square, 24 square 576, and 7 square 49. When we add them, the result will be 625, and root under square root of 6 to root 5 is 25 centimeter. That's why sin A, by using the formula sin A P by H, for the angle A, for this angle BC is opposite to angle A, that's why BC is perpendicular, and AC is already given hypotenuse, BC by AC, therefore 7 by 25. Cos A B by H, AB by AC is equal to 24 by 25, and in this section sin C for this angle, side opposite to angle, that is P AB by AC 24 by 25, and cos C B by H, that is side adjacent to angle C BC by AC, that is 7 by 25. The next problem is question number 3 of exercise 8.1. If sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. If one ratios of an angle is given, then how we can find out the other values of trigonometric ratios? Sin A 3 by 4, it is given, and as we know that sin A is equal to 3 by 4, it means these are the ratios between the two sides of a triangle. That's why we take P by H, P as 3K and H 4K. P and H are given, then we have to find out B, root under H square minus P square, root under 4K square minus 3K square, that is root under 16K square minus 9K square, root under 7K square. This will be K square. The square root of K square is K, while the square root of 7 is root 7. Now all the three things P, H and B, with the help of it we can find out the value of cos A B by H, B, that is root 7K by 4K, K and K, this will cancel this K, and hence it will be equal to root 7 by 4. Tan A P by B, P 3K by root 7K, this will be cancelled by this K, 3 by root 7. Now the homework, do exercise 8.1. Thank you.